All right, boys and girls, so this is part 2 of our simplest form lesson this week. So we're just going to go ahead and dive into the book and work out some problems together. I'm looking at page 565 and numbers 5, 7, and 11. So right now you should have your ebook open on one of the tabs. You have a piece of paper. It's in front of you. You're ready to write your work down. You're ready to copy the problems from the page. When I look at your notebook page, I should see not only the answer and the work you did, but I should also see the original problem with the correct number and the correct page. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and start with number 5. It is 3 over 18. So 3 over 18. What's my first step? List my factors, right? So factors for 3 are 1 times 3 equals 3, and 3 times 1 equals 3. Pretty easy. Let's do 18. 1 times 18 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. 6 times 3 is 18. And then we have our 9 times 2. And, oh, my face is in the way. And 18 times 1. There we go. What factors do they have in common? Well, they have 1 in common, that's true. But then they have something bigger. They have this 3. Perfect. So my next step is I'm going to divide 3 by 3. Well, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So here I went divided by 3 equals 1. And 18, because I'm always going to do to the bottom what I do to the top. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Is that my simplest fraction? You bet. 3/18 is the same as saying 1/6. Which is simpler? 1/6. That's the simplest form. Okay, moving on to number 7. I'm going to erase this board. Maybe can I just do it all in the trash? Yes, clear page. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to look at number 7, 4/16. Beautiful. My pen, thank you. 4/16. So my first step is to list the factors of 4. I have 4 over here. 1 times 4 is 4. What else? 2 times 2 is 4. And 4 times 1 is 4. Next we have 16. 1 times 16 is 16. I know it's an even number, so it's going to have a 2 somewhere. 2 times 8 is 16. Good. 3 times... nope, not going to have a 3. If you're ever not sure, let's count. In fact, let's just try it. So let's count by 3s and see if we get to 16. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Not going to hit it. Let's try 4. Let's count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 4 more is 16. I hit it exactly. So 4 times 4 is 16. 5s, no. Can I do 6s? No. We can do 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Anything else? Not really. And you're welcome to check. Remember, you can always count. All right, let's look at my factors. What is the largest factor that they have in common? Well, they have a 1 and a 2, but the largest one is indeed 4. So my next step is I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Well, that's a much prettier fraction, isn't it? 4 over 16 is the same as saying 1/4. Is that my simplest fraction? Yeah. Does it represent the same value? Yeah. All right, I'm going to move on to my next one, to our last problem. Okay, our last one is number 11. All right, number 11, we have 4 over 11. I wonder if they meant to do that. All right, my factors of 4, which I already did on the first or the other problem. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. And 4 times 1 is 4. Correct. And then I have 11. Ooh. Well, 1 times 11 is 11. Can I get there by 2's? No, it's not an even number. Maybe 3's. Let's count by 3's. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Nope. Gonna blow right past it. What about 5's? 5, 10, 15. Nope. 6's? 6, 12. Nope. Not going to get there with 7. Not going to get there with 8. It looks like 1 and 11 are my only factors. Well, that's kind of lame. What's the greatest factor that I have in common? 1. So when we go back to our original notes, when they said a fraction is in its simplest form when its greatest common factor is 1. So where did we find ourselves? That 4 over 11 is as simple as it's going to get. Okay? All right, guys, let me know if you have any more questions, and those steps should lead you through all the problems you need for your homework, but let me know if you need any extra help. All right, good luck.